this is total loss, man.
I cannot believe we were in there.
Yeah.
And we made it.
It's the wall, it's the barrier of the wall. It's all concrete.
Jesus. Yeah, I just need to get it cleaned, I guess.
You're gonna get that stitch.
Yeah.
Before it gets more.
That car, I think your car was the only thing that got hit.
My car?
That windshield got broken.
Ojo. Como dice uno, la vida vale más que los vehículos.
Hey.
Eso es un ejemplo, no, ¿para qué preocupar?
Oh my god. The thing that was there gone?
Yeah, it's gone.
What was there?
The fire, there's a fireworks thing that's gone. Watch out right here with the glass. I was ahí.
Follow her over that peak. Right to that duck. Okay, do not stand up. You got it, brother. Do not stand up, guys. Sure.
They're inside, that's what I'm fixing to check out.
I'll stay with Lewis.
Todos los carros quedan destruidos.
Papá, dile que anda buscando y dónde se te perdió.
Ven, Rafa, ¿por qué?
¿Podemos ir para allá?
Sí,
no,
sí,
no,
no,
dijo,
no.
Man, that's in my. That's sad.
No, baby. Yeah, we were.
Where's my truck? Where's my truck? Is your car under the... Wait, it smells like gas in there. We can't go.
Wait, no, it's right there. Oh my God. It's sitting right there. Baby, so we can't go over there.
Oh, there's a gas tank right there. Don't. No.
We can't go over there,
Oh
baby.
my God, my poor truck.
Your truck's gone?
It's right there. It's all messed up. Yeah. Shit.